There is a famous saying, sometimes the most scenic roads in life are the detours that you don't mean to take. On the way from Bangalore to Gokarna, we stopped multiple times. We visited the temples and stopped next to the bridge in the Western Ghats rainforest to enjoy the nature. Vibhuthi Falls is one of the many waterfalls in the Western Ghats. Surrounded by large rocks and limestone deposits, the waterfall is a picturesque spot. Vibhuthi Falls is about 50 kilometers from Sirsi and about an hour's drive from Gokarna. It's about 3 to 4 hours drive from Goa. The waterfall gets its name from limestone rock found in the area. Vibhuthi also means holy ash. It is also known as the Mabgi Falls because of its proximity to a village by the same name. The water flows in steps that make it the ideal refuge spot for hot summers. The other places to visit nearby include Yana, a pilgrimage spot with a cave temple dedicated to goddess Chandrika. The other places to visit nearby include Uncholi Falls, Vibhuthi Falls, and the Gokarna beach. If you like this video, then consider supporting my work by subscribing to my YouTube channel. You may also visit my website ravindra.com for more travel stories. Cheers.